Alright, man. I'm gonna try these potatoes. These skillet fried potatoes, y'all. I love these. The gravy that's in these is off the chain, y'all. Can y'all see that? Sticking to it. Flavor.
All right, y'all. So for these skillet potatoes, I'm going to add a stick of butter and just let that melt. And I also put olive oil in my skillet so that can be real good and hot. Just gonna let that melt. When I was a kid, my grandpa used to make these all the time. He called them mashed potatoes. And we used to have them for breakfast with biscuits, all that. It was really good. Did you ever do that?
Yeah, usually with those macro patties and some rice. With some either homemade biscuits or either store-bought.
Yeah.
Plate be full of syrup.
So just let that butter melt with that olive oil. You can go ahead and start adding your potatoes. Let's get that in real good.
Hey Mark, if you're watching, there it is, buddy. We had a request to cook on this a while ago, and I told him we'd get one done. See, that's one request as one filled.
All right, so you're gonna let these cook until tender. So yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and add bell pepper. I just use different color bell peppers for this. Just add that in there with it. It's already smelling good. I'll let Leroy do his thing.
Leroy. Warmed up.
I'll go ahead and add my garlic. And I use maybe about 4 cloves of garlic. And I'm going to add 1 whole onion. And that's just going to cook on down. It's already smelling good. Can you smell it?
Smells so lovely. Can't you agree?
Don't you agree? Just let that cook down some. And we'll be back while that cooks down. Alright, so you can see Leroy is full to the top. But these potatoes are going to cook down. Ooh, that smells good. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of paprika. Go ahead and add some black pepper and salt. And just mix that up real good. And then we'll let it cook down. Alright y'all, so these potatoes are starting to cook down. And if y'all was in this kitchen to smell this, I could probably eat it raw, but I'm not going to do that. But they smell so good. Alright, now I'm just going to continue to let this cook down.
And I'm going to go chase Jamal.
Alright y'all, so the potatoes are done. They are tender. The veggies are soft. And they are ready. And I'm making this with something else, but I wanted y'all to see how I made my skillet potatoes. Or as my grandpa used to say, iced potatoes. I don't know where that came from. Little type of potatoes?
Yeah, iced potatoes.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll just stick with the iced potatoes then. Iced skillet potatoes. But these are good for breakfast with biscuits and bacon and ooh, pancakes, just whatever. They just good, period.
Yeah, I could eat just a bowl of these alone.
Yeah. Well, there you have it. Skillet potatoes. Oh, and you can also just add a little bit of parsley on just to, you know, garnish it up a little bit. And there go your potatoes, man. All right. Please like and please subscribe.